Hi, I'm Sandy, and today we're going to go over how to keep your dog out of the mud. Recently I had a client, and actually in just this past summer, it was a really rainy summer for us, and our client was really annoyed that every time the dog would go out, it would get into this low-lying muddy area, and she was just fed up with having to clean the dog off every single time it came inside. So the reasons for some of these behaviors is that, dogs just want to play in the mud. They like it. Sometimes in the heat of the summer, they want a place to cool off. So it may happen just certain times of the year. Why we want to prevent this behavior, usually it's just for us, is that we don't want the dog dragging their muddy paws throughout the house. Solutions that are out there are temporary fencing, that when there's that rain and you have that low-lying area getting all muddy, you can put some temporary garden fencing up there. Obedience training, that when you know that the yard is wet, that you're teaching the dog a no or a leave it, stay out of there kind of a command. If the dog is getting the muddy paws and getting in the house, is teaching a wait and sit so that you can wipe the paws off. Other suggestions that I would have is the doors that you come back into is having some paw wipes or a dog door mat that soaks up mud and wet paws. They make other tools out there that they look like little cups that you can stick the paws into, and there's water in there that can help get that mud and everything off of there. Other solutions that I would suggest is Invisible Fence brand Outdoor Shield solution, or a Boundary Plus technology to block off the area that's affected. If it's certain times of the year that this is happening, you can set that outdoor shields up in that area and teach the pet that there's certain times that it's on and off, based on using some command work with them. For other tips and tricks on how to keep your pet out of the mud, visit invisiblefence.com.